Hey, what's up YouTube? This is Lawman FJ. I'm going to do a quick look at the Galaxy Note 9 official Android Pie update. It's the Sprint version. Okay, just came out, just downloaded it. We're going to take a quick look. Okay, now as you can see, we got the icon change right there. The same thing we saw in the S9 Plus outlook. And the update, I'm sorry. And one thing I noticed is that this weather app, while it changed colors, you know, the original one didn't have any color. When you go to widgets, you're not going to find this version right here. You're going to find this. It's going to be one of these versions right here where it's longer, and then you're going to find this 3.3 that's got more weather info and the traditional 5.1. And this is what it looks like. I got it on the Galaxy S9 Plus. That's what the 3.3 is going to look like. Now you can load up another one. Now you'll see once I move this app, I'm not going to be able to get it back. So I'm gonna move this one, take this one off, and remove that one. And when I go to widgets, I'm not going to be able to find the that 3.3 apps because this is the one right here. And when I load it up, this is what it's going to look like right there. Now you can change the background on this. If you long press, you can go to widget settings. You can put a white background, a background. You can change the transparency so you can have a border if you want to. So that's something new that wasn't always there. Okay, but you won't be able to get that other app back as far as the look that you had, the one weather and no additional weather info. That's the weather app right there. Pretty nice. Here's Bixby, just like the S9 Plus. It seems to be a little bit smoother, but still have to check it out. You know, I had the update for the S9 Plus, and the battery life, I'm still working on that. I don't know if this is going to be, if it's improved a whole lot. The Note 9 was already good, so we'll see if it got better. But much of the same things that you saw, you know, with the S9 update. You got the black theme here. You got the rounded icons, the rounded toggles. I mean, you see the time is to the left, and you got the battery percentage to the right. When you go into settings, it's blacked out. Well, let's check out the Android version. Go to About Phone. You can see software version. Okay, it's Android 9. It's for the Note 9. And you got One UI right there. Let's go ahead and look at the build. There you go. You got the Pi build right there, official. All right. I'm using the gestures right now. And when you go into display, you can turn that on or off. You go down to navigation. Now you could, that's what I have it on. I'm not using the buttons. I'm using the gestures. I like that better. Now you can turn the gesture hints on where you can see the actual bars at the bottom, so you can see where to swipe. But I didn't want that because I want as much screen space as possible, so I turn that off. Okay, because you can remember where that is. But it's pretty cool. So one of the things you're going to see now is that in your apps, you're going to be able to, you know, have more of your functions are going to be able to come down because you can slide that down and get your functions down here to work with them better in the lower part of the screen. Okay. But I love the gestures. You know, you got the recent app gestures right there. You hit on it, you're going to get some more options there. And you get some recent apps down here that I didn't notice before, but when you go into recent apps, you're going to get some suggestions down here. That's pretty cool. And it's not your frequently used apps, but you're just going to get some suggested apps based on where you are, what app you're looking at. That's pretty cool, but it's pretty smooth so far. I'm gonna do some more looking at this because there's some changes that have been made that I want to make sure you guys get. But I just want to let you know that the official Note 9 update is here. It's on Sprint, and you need to go ahead and hit your update button to see if you get it, and take a look at it and see if you like it. Okay, I think it's pretty good. This is a quick look at the Galaxy Note 9 official update on Sprint, the Pi update. Now, if you like the video, give me a thumbs up. If you got any questions, hit me up in the comments. And don't forget to hit the subscribe button down below for more videos like this. This is Lawman FJ.